Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. Based on the thumbnail, you already know it is time for the April 2021 Cocotique review and unboxing. As you can see, we're going to pretty much narrow it down to just the unboxing today, as I am still rocking a wig and my hair is still cornrowed, but I'm excited to see what I got in this month's box because the weekend is approaching. So now is a good time to go in and shampoo, deep condition, and just treat my natural coils, okay? So I want to thank you all for taking a moment to click on this video and take part in this lovely Cocotique unboxing. If you are unfamiliar with Cocotique and you're interested in finding out more information, stick around. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and please leave your comments down below. I look forward to seeing them. So, Cocotique is a monthly subscription service. It is $25 a month, which is fairly nominal considering that most women spend way more than that on their beauty and self-care needs. I know I do. So to have that luxury and convenience of sampling different products each month and it coming right to your doorstep is beyond convenient, especially considering that the pandemic numbers are kind of still up and down, up and down. So one of the beautiful things that I enjoy about Cocotique is I review the products here on my social media platforms, and they have a wonderful reward system called the CoCorewards. So for every box that you purchase, you earn Cocotique rewards. Those rewards can then be used to purchase back, such as by buying a previous month's box or stocking up on certain products that are sold there independently or individually, I should say. So it's really a cool company. But without further ado, I don't want this video to be too long, guys. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the April box, let you all know what I was blessed with. But can we first get into this bag? I always share with you guys, Cocotique used to come in these flashy boxes when I first signed up last year. Well, they've since gone to these canvas totes, and each month there's always a cool message on the bag. Well, this month's bag did not disappoint, baby. It's the melanin magic for me. It's the melanin magic for me, okay? Get all the way into that. Now, I love these bags because I totally repurpose them. I use them to store beauty supplies. I use them when I go to the grocery store. I got a few of them in my car with me at all times. They either come in this khaki color or they'll come in a black. And all your products are shipped right in the bag in a box each month. But I just love the messages. It's always something cute and trendy on the bags. And these are washable, machine washable. So they're great to repurpose. The other thing that I always brag on with this company is the CEO and founder always includes what I like to call these love notes. So there's always a personalized message on a beautiful color glossy postcard size card, and then on the back side you will always have the contents of whatever your box is along with the retail prices. Now that is key because I literally itemize all the products each month when I come on with these videos. We always get more than $25 worth of products. So that within itself is a plus. Now, last but certainly not least, in the description box of this video, I do have a discount code. So if you decide you're on the fence, you want to try it out, you can use my discount code. It's in the description box. It will allow you to take a certain percentage or dollar amount off your first box. I think it's like 10% or $10, one or the other, but it's in the description box of this video. Now let me go ahead and read what she put. She always puts these very inspirational messages in the card. So let me read that really quick, guys. Cocotique Palmer's Takeover Box. Celebrate your melanin magic. This month is all about celebrating your beautiful, natural melanin magic. Hey! Always remember you are a queen and instinctively beautiful. To help you enhance your natural beauty, I am super excited to introduce you to the new look and formulation of the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost System. This new collection has 2 times the coconut oil and restores hair experiencing dryness or damage with natural reparatives that instantly and deeply lock in moisture from root to tip, visibly improving your hair's condition after each use. Palmer's coconut oil formula products contain ethically and sustainably sourced coconut oil and Tahitian Manoi oil. I hope you enjoy your next wash day with this amazing new hair collection. As always, I love to hear from you, so please don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like your products in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Hey, also YouTube, because I always upload my video review and unboxing here on the channel, and I submit it through the back office of Cocotique, and I'm telling you right now, guys, I've got about 300 points in CoCorewards, and I've only redeemed them once, and it was for a previous month's box that I wanted to get, and cash out of pocket I paid for the shipping, which was $7.50, but the box itself was $25, and on the back of the card, the outline statement, well over $25 worth of products, so it's a win-win. So, we know that we are working with the Palmer's new Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost System. That is going to be great because my hair has been cornrowed underneath my wigs we're now going into the 3rd week. 3 weeks ago, I wore my hair out in its natural state. I was rocking twist outs for 3 whole weeks. I can't even believe I lasted 3 weeks, but it was because I had some awesome products from Cocotique and my hair did really well with them. So I'm looking forward to this weekend so that I could just treat and pamper my hair. And I'll probably wear my natural locks out again for maybe another week or 2. It's getting ready to get hot here where I'm at. We've been experiencing 80 to 90 degree weather, so my hair doesn't do so well in this humid tropical heat, but we're gonna give it a try anyway. So let's get right into it. What we've got here is we've got their Moisture Boost Shampoo plus Tahitian Manoi. It is color safe, non-stripping, and removes buildup. This is a 13.5 fluid ounce. Nice size. We also got the Moisture Boost Conditioner, created for all curl patterns and textures, also in a 13.5 ounce size. This stuff is a nice size, guys, and I have so much shampoo and conditioner from the company. I could make gift bags, but the thing I like about that is since I became, oh my God, that smells so delightful. Since I became a naturalista, and anyone else who is natural can attest to this, it's difficult trying to figure out the right products, what products are going to work for you. So the other beautiful thing about having Cocotique is I get to experience different products. Some of the products like the Dove, which is fairly inexpensive, I can go get it at a CVS or Rite Aid or Target and it's fairly inexpensive. That actually worked well for my hair. I know like a lot of people don't like the Cantu products. They're super cheap. My hair loves Cantu products. So, and then some of the more higher end stuff like the Design Essentials, I got that in a box a couple months back. It didn't do so well on my hair. Like the shampoo barely lathered up. It just didn't give me much slip. And it's like, what are we paying for here? So I love that I get to try it out each month, you know, and sample it. And then if I like it, I know then I can go back and use my CoCorewards and purchase it at a discounted price. So as y'all can tell, I'm excited about Cocotique. Now here we have the Moisture Boost Curl Defining Cream. Oh my God. I cannot wait to do a twist out. I'm not even going to attempt a wash and go in all this heat and humidity, but I will do a 2-strand twist out. Oh my God. Created for all curl patterns and textures. Bouncy elongated curls. Frizz free finish. That is important, guys. I'm so excited to use this, and I love that they included a whole complete line. So this is awesome. So I will come back on the channel and give a full review with the finished results this weekend once I do my hair. Okay, and then I love that they have a moisture leave-in liquid leave-in conditioner. That's something else I figured out in my natural hair journey. My hair actually is so thick that I've always tended to lean towards heavy, thick cream conditioners. But in fact, I have learned during the course of my journey that my hair actually accepts and performs better with a liquid leave-in. I don't know why that is. I think it has something to do with the porosity of my hair, the texture, and the density. Now, keep in mind, Pandi used to be a licensed cosmetologist once upon a time, so I know a little something something. I also have worked in several salons over the years, so I do know a little something something. But natural hair, I'm learning because I've always had chemically treated hair. So, I am so excited to be receiving these products. Now, last but certainly not least, we've got the Moisture Boost Hair and Scalp Oil. This is a reparative system with instant penetration from root to tip for healthier looking hair. Now, what's funny is I actually purchased this in Walmart a couple of days ago, and I've been spraying it on my wigs just to give it a little shine. It's not heavy, it doesn't weigh it down, and I still got lots of body and movement. So I know if it's doing that for the wig, it's going to do wonders on my hair. So now I have a second bottle. So that completes the April box. Now let me look at the back of this card here really quick for the contents. The Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Shampoo retails at $4.59. The conditioner retails at $4.99. The leave-in conditioner retails at $5.99. The Moisture Boost Scalp Oil retails at $5.49. And the Curl Defining Cream retails at $5.97. So I don't know what it is about these lower end, more economically priced products, but my hair tends to do really well with those. So let's round this up. So I've got about $30 retail value worth of product here for $25. So not much over the $25 this month. But as you all can see, if you go down and check the Cocotique card, probably up above in the card, somewhere up in here, I have a whole playlist of all of my Cocotique reviews and unboxings. I always get way more stuff. They've included lip glosses, facial moisturizers, face masks, nail polish, lip balms, hair products, body moisturizers, body oils. I have so much stuff still unopened. I just started using this night cream for my face from one of the previous boxes the other day. So definitely check out Cocotique, and you all definitely stay tuned to come back. I will be posting a finished result and final thoughts of the product this weekend sometime once I actually take my braids down, shampoo and deep condition, and do a twist out, and come back on and let you all know my final thoughts of the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost System. This is a new system for Palmer's coconut oil based products. And we know Palmer's from their cocoa butter when we were little. So, all right, y'all, that completes the unboxing. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this commentary, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you really enjoyed it, go ahead and blow dry on my like button, please, and thank you. Okay, and drop down in the comments below and let me know your thoughts. I always appreciate your feedback. Until next time, guys, stay safe. Stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.